Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix the issue on your Nokia 5 from 2017 that your WhatsApp voice messages cut off at 1 second. Nokia 5 users have observed a peculiar WhatsApp bug when sending a voice note. The recorded message streams a 1 second clip upon sending. Often just silence or a click is heard. This can be very frustrating, and I've experienced this bug, and I know how to fix this. And it is not due to microphone malfunctioning, because the regular audio recording works fine. It appears to be a touch sensor issue after issue affecting WhatsApp, not after WhatsApp. So, at first, to fix the issue that I recommend is to remove case or screen protector. If you have some screen protector on your screen, which is very, I don't know how to say that, which covers all your screen from the top to the bottom and is very thick, I recommend to remove the screen protector and the case. And the primary cause is often accidental touch interference. A case of screen protector can press on the edges of the screen or affect how your touch is registered. Remove any protective accessories and try recording a WhatsApp voice message again. If the voice now records full length, the accessory was the culprit. You may need a better fitting case or to reposition trim to the screen protector away from the microphone or screen edges. This is the issue I had, and I had to remove this screen protector, and for me this fixed my problem. But if it didn't fix your problem, try changing the finger placement. When recording a message, make sure you press and hold the microphone icons curly, and don't let another finger or part of your hand touch the screen simultaneously. On some Nokia 5 devices, if part of your hand touches the screen while recording the record button, it registers as a second touch and cancels the recording. WhatsApp interprets it as a gesture or to cancel or end. Hold the phone in a way that that only the recording finger is on the display. Of course, it's useful to use the local recording feature. Recently, I don't know if we have it on the latest WhatsApp update on our phone, but WhatsApp added a feature called the local recording feature. If you slide the microphone icon upwards to the up, it locks recording so you can talk without continuously holding the button. Try using this. Press and slide up to lock, then speak your message and hit send. This way, even if touch is momentarily odd, it might not cut off since you're not manually holding the screen the whole time. If these three things didn't help you, you have to update your WhatsApp application. It may be a WhatsApp odd thing. You have to first enter the Play Store, search for your application in Play Store, and if you have here the update button, try updating your application. If that did work for you, that's nice. Of course, if you didn't have the update, try uninstall your application and then installing your application back again. Apart from that, you can test your recording application, which is the default in your system, in the safe mode, because testing in the safe mode is the best for testing. At first, hold the power button and then hold your finger on the power off. Here, as you can see, we have reboot to safe mode. We have to tap OK here, and now we are restarting. To rule out Nokia's firmware issues, try recording audio in a different application, like the built-in recorder or another messaging app, and see if it sounds correctly. If other applications don't have this issue, the problem is specific to WhatsApp on the Nokia 5. Here, in the safe mode, we can, if it's allowed, try WhatsApp. I don't think that it's allowed, but we can try WhatsApp, and it should work here. Let's wait a moment. We have to now enter our PIN, which sometimes lags. Let's wait a moment now. Now we are in the safe mode, and here now we can open the default recorder for the audio. We can try recording the video in the camera application, enter the messaging application and send some voice messages, or just try finding the system recorder, which I don't know where is, where it is. YouTube, wallpapers, settings, use phone. Yeah, I do recommend recording in the camera application strictly. Here, as you can see, now we have video here. And now let's record our audio. Of course, if our phone unlocks. Here now I am talking. Here I do have alcohol for cleaning my devices. Let's place my device like that. And I will try talking a bit louder than usual. And now let's check if we have sound in our, wait a moment, in our device. If it does record our sound correctly, it's only the WhatsApp issue. Let's wait a moment. Okay, not here. I don't really like this phone much. Let's find our photos. So here we do have our photos, and here now we can turn on this video, increase the volume level. Here now I am talking. Here I do have alcohol for cleaning my devices. Let's place my device. As you can see, the sound is nice and clear, so the issue may be only in WhatsApp. And as for the WhatsApp, we can update WhatsApp, as I said earlier, or manage permissions and reinstall. As I said earlier, let's leave the safe mode here. It will take some time, so let's wait a moment. Now our system is booted up, and here now we can enter settings. Here now we can open the apps and notifications, and here now see all for the 33 apps. Here now we have to find the WhatsApp application, which will be at the bottom here because we have the W letter, and here we have to enter permissions. Here we have to enable the microphone, for example camera, call logs, telephone, location, etc. It should help us, and if it didn't help us, the last tip I will tell you is to just reinstall this application and do a factory reset of your phone, because the factory reset often helps with the microphone issues. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comments below, because we are here to help. Goodbye!